to my channel. So today we're in my bathroom. Sorry, it was a little bit echoey, but we're in my bathroom because we're going to be organizing and cleaning it out today. To be completely honest, I was inspired by Zoe Sugg. She did a video doing this exact same thing, and I found it to be so relaxing and peaceful just watching a time lapse of her cleaning out her bathroom. Of course, she has a much nicer bathroom than mine. I think that like tied into it. She has a gorgeous house. I'm obsessed with her house. But regardless of that, it just kind of inspired me to go through my crap, which I feel like I'm good about doing. But I don't know, I just kind of feel like I'm unaware of what's underneath my bathroom counter right now, so let's go through it, let's get rid of what I'm not using, and then I figure when I'm done, I'll show you what I'm getting rid of and show you what I'm left with, how it's organized, and yeah, just a fun little Sunday afternoon project. While I'm doing this, I'm going to be listening to an audiobook. This video is kindly sponsored by Audible. You guys know that I love Audible. I am working with them for the rest of the year, which I'm really, really excited about because me and my husband both truly love Audible. So let's switch over to voiceover mode so I can tell you a bit more about that. And before we do, I just wanted to say they've kind of like sweetened the deal, and it's a great time to get into it if you haven't. So yeah, let's learn about it.
If you don't know what Audible is, it is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks. So everything from fiction, nonfiction. My personal favorite is autobiographies, particularly ones that are read by the author. I like it when they narrate them themselves. Which, speaking of, I'm really excited because a lot of you guys know I've been on a Brady Bunch kick, which is really random, and we could talk about that at another time. But my friend told me that, I believe her name is Maureen McCormick, who played Marsha Brady, has an audiobook, and I can download it, and I'm so excited. So I just downloaded it. I'm going to start listening to it right away. Some of my other personal faves for audiobooks are Holly Madison's 2 books. I loved Anna Kendrick's book. We're currently joint listening to Jessica Simpson's audiobook, which Bradley has somehow gotten roped into. But on top of that, Audible has their Audible Originals, which normally members get to download 2 of those per month, but given the current state of the world, you have unlimited downloads to all of the Audible Originals, which I think is so kind. And on top of that, they're doing something that I think is so amazing. They've launched a new website called stories.audible.com, which has hundreds of titles that anyone, anywhere can stream completely for free. No strings attached. Since schools are closed, Audible wanted to give children a way that they could escape and learn and imagine, and I just think that this is so cool. There's some pretty cool Alice in Wonderland titles that I'm probably gonna have to listen to myself, but it's just a nice screen-free activity that your kids can do while they're stuck at home. But if you're looking for a certain title in particular, or you want access to all those Audible Originals, they are offering a free 30-day trial with my code, which is audible.com/Amy, or you can text Amy to 500-500. That will give you 1 month free, or in other words, a free title to download. And like I said, access to all of their Audible Originals if you're into that. So again, that is audible.com/Amy, or text Amy to 500 to get your first month free. I'll have all of the links and everything clickable right down below, as well as the stories.audible.com. But thank you so much, Audible, for partnering with me on this video. I'm really proud to be working with you guys. I think you guys are doing great things, and I hope you guys will sign up and listen to some audiobooks.
But okay guys, we're gonna roll right into it. I have my oils going. If you're curious, I have a mix of these 2. So I have some Idaho Blue Spruce and some Grapefruit. Do not mind my nails, they need to be redone. But I have this in here just to kind of like energize but also relax me. It smells so good. You guys know the Idaho Blue Spruce is my new fave oil. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get to organizing.
Okay guys, so I thought I would give you a quick overview of what I pulled out and why they're all in these random piles. So this pile is of stuff that's going back in my like back stock, which I'll show you in a second. Just some newer products that, I don't know, I've been wanting to try these and I still do want to try them. I'm trying to keep it minimal in here because too much gets in there and then I don't use anything, so we're putting those back for now. These things I'm getting rid of. I don't care for the Rose of Vanilla scent of the Schmidt's. This is expired, and that has the Carez Greek yogurt thing expired, which kills me because I love that thing, but it does not look safe to use. This is going in the empties bin, and you guys, somebody commented that Moonlight Path was discontinued, and I looked into it and it is, and so my life is over. I've literally been wearing this every day since 7th grade. I'm hoping that like they'll bring it back twice a year like they do with all the other retired scents for like the semi-annual sales, and I'll just like literally buy 1,000. But that's going in the empties. Luckily I did have 2 more backups so in here, and we'll get into, I'll give you a tour of that in a minute. Oh, these are just some bath bombs that I was gonna stack on top of the others. I did a really big bath bomb haul, which if you've seen, it might be up, it might be coming soon. I've done like 1,000 Lush hauls during quarantine, but I did like a specifically massive bath bomb haul. So that is either up or coming soon. And then this pile is stuff that I can give to others. I'm gonna give that to my sister-in-law, Nikki. See if anybody wants this texture builder spray. The Lush shower gels break me out, so Bradley usually uses them, but this is a little too sweet for him, so I'm gonna give that to somebody else. I have 2 of these, and I don't see myself going through both of them all the time that they're good to use. I don't really care for the shower jellies. They kind of freak me out. I kept this one because it smells really good. Smells like the Miranda soap, but I'm gonna see if my sister wants that. And then I wanted to keep this, to be honest, but they sent me a few of their shampoo bars, and I just don't see myself using all 3 by the time they go bad. So I'm gonna give that to my sister-in-law, Lenny, because I know she enjoys them. And then last but not least over here, I have my scrubby from Lush. To be honest, I had no idea that I had this. I'm immediately pulling this out to go into my shower because I freaking love it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go disperse this where it needs to go, and then I'll give you a tour of the organization and what I did. I get to do something very exciting on my to-do list wall. Take off 2. Okay, and now I'm going to give you a small little tour of underneath our bathroom sink. I didn't mess with Bradley's side. He really doesn't have very much, but you know, that's his to go through. So there's like a ton of open space. I kind of rearranged it to look like this a few months ago, and it works really well. I got rid of a lot of stuff a few months ago, and you just saw what I got rid of. I feel pretty good of what I got rid of now. I wasn't expecting to get rid of so much. We have mouthwashes. I have Thieves mouthwash, and then this Hello one. Most used hair products. So my Rose Elixir oil spray, dry shampoo, and my leave-in tangler, and I do really like this stuff, so I want to use it up. It's the dry texture spray from Orbe. Then up here I have my hair masks. I do have 3 hair masks. I should be using them a lot more often. I often forget, or I'm just so lazy on hair wash night, but I do really like all 3 of these. So these are 2 from Amika, the Cure and Soul Food, and then my all-time favorite, the Macadamia Nourishing Moisture Mask. I have a couple Lush products that were still good. The Snowflake Lotion, Magic Crystals Body Scrub, which I'm gonna use once I use up the scrubby. I have this little guy that holds some beauty tools, my roller, my lip scrubber. And then this little drawer unit, I have all my sheet masks in here. A while ago, I got rid of any sheet masks that weren't Sephora brand, because those are my favorite. And to be honest, I don't use them very much, which I should use them more often, but my absolute favorite are the rose ones. So I have those. This is some Lush shampoo bars, as you guys saw. And then these are some Lush shower oils in the bottom. Behind there, I just have my feminine situations. I kind of stocked up on tampons during this situation because I got dangerously low and I was like, ooh, that wasn't fun. But I also have pads on top, in which you guys, I do want to switch to something more natural. I'm kind of thinking like use up what I have to not be wasteful and then look into more natural situations. So please let me know your favorite, like all natural tampon, please. Then I have this thing, which I get so many questions about this. I got this at the Container Store a while ago, and it's just like an under the sink organizer, and I love it because it kind of doubles your room. So in here I have face masks, all my favorites, and then below I have backup Lush products. So I keep all my bubble bars in here. Usually I have bath melts in there, but it's empty. Oh, my little honey thing. Backup bath bombs, some other random Lush stuff. This is basically just like a Lush drawer. But this thing works out really well for me. I just wish it wasn't like open holes because things don't sit very nicely, but it works out pretty good. So that is the bottom cabinet. And then you guys saw this. This looks much better. It's still a little crowded, but I really do use all of these products. So we have my Moonlight Path, my favorite hair oil. This is a new thing that I wanted to try out. They sent me this a while ago. It's the Paula's Choice Antioxidant Pore Purifier. Since I'm enjoying the other Paula's Choice thing so much, I wanted to give that a try. I have my Kate Somerville Titan Cryogenic. I should just use it up, so I left it in there. My Fresh face mist I love, my DIY toner, my tea tree pads, the moisturizer I'm using at the moment. Then we have 2 eye creams, my lip scrub, the oils I use, Frankincense Progestins Plus, Pixie Rose Oil, the retinol oil, this new sunscreen from First Aid Beauty, my Lush spot treatment, my everyday moisturizer, and the Paula's Choice thing. And then up there I just have some deodorants. The rest is Bradley's section. But yeah, so everything is looking nice and organized and much better. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me on this decluttering journey. Decluttering and reorganizing always makes me feel better because I get rid of stuff, so I feel a bit lighter, and I've also reminded myself of stuff that I want to start using or use up, or things I forgot about, so it just feels good overall. A nice Sunday project, like I said. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Audible for sponsoring. If you want more cleaning, decluttering, organizing videos, I will link my playlist up in the corner. But I hope you guys have a great day. If you reorganize your bathroom or anywhere in your home and you post about it on Instagram, tag me. I'd love to see. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon with a new video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.